It's been 5 months since I last was on the EUC. So much has happened in that short period of time. Life's been busy and frankly it's been too cold to learn how to ride. I think once I get the hang of it, I'll be able to do more winter rides next year. But it's spring now, so look out for more of these videos. You can check out the last 3 EUC videos on my channel. There's a playlist for that. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. For those that don't know, this is called an electric unicycle, or EUC for short. I've slowly been learning how to ride. Day 1 consisted of me practicing in a field where I learned to hop up on the pedals. I only spent about 15 to 30 minutes doing that, as I had to quit because it was really wearing me out. It takes a lot of time and patience to learn, at least for me. I'm a little afraid of falling off, and to be honest, I think I'm slowly getting more comfortable. I've seen some people hop up and ride these things almost instantly, but I'm getting old, so it's going to take a little bit more time for me. Alright, this is day 4 on the electric unicycle. Last time I rode it was in September. So I still got the hang of getting on and taking off. I'm just a little afraid of the balance part of it, which I'll get used to, I'm sure. But I keep shaking, and I think it's because of my foot placement. So we'll see. But I got the taking off part going pretty good. See, I'm a little shaky here. And now I'm running into this thing. Don't want to run into that. Okay, good. Right turns are still an issue for me. But I think once I get my foot placement right, I'll be good. I keep getting either too far forward or too far back. Luckily, today there's cones, so I can practice my figure 8 if I can figure out how to just get started. Yeah, there we go. Forward. A little bit of a right turn. I know, bend my knees and I'll go. But let's go this way. See, I'm still wobbling. And I think it's because of my foot placement. There we go. That looks good. Oh shit. Did not mean to do that. Whew. That was a sharp turn. Gotta get used to leaning and riding over uneven surfaces. Yeah, see, I'm still wobbling, but I think I got the gist of it. Lean, okay, and I know to look forward and not down. I got that part. I'm just trying to get my foot placement right. Yeah, see, like this, I feel like I'm too far back. Whew. Getting hot. There we go. I think I got it now. I don't want to go up around that thing yet. It's a little bit of a downhill, which I don't think I'm ready for yet. So I got it to where I feel relaxed on it. And I do have Clark pads, but I want to get used to the wheel before I put them on. And my feet already hurt, which is, from what I hear, normal. And the whole leaning thing's weird. I gotta get used to that. But I think I got it pretty much. I'm starting to get the feel of it. This is like pretty good. Still don't feel comfortable on it yet, of course. It's only my 4th day really riding it. Camera. Don't shake too much. Kind of gotta lean forward. Turn. Lean forward. Plus, this is kind of at an angle, so makes it a little difficult to turn. It's like sloping down. I want to get to the point where I can carry my camera with me and talk to you guys and get some good shots, but not there yet. Almost. I think I'm almost there. I feel pretty comfortable doing this. Now if I can just turn and keep going and not scrape my pedals, that'd be great. And I'm still tricky on the right turns. Hopefully you guys can see all this. I'd say that was a pretty successful go around. What do you guys think? This is day 4. I maybe got a total of, let's see, first couple days we only did like maybe 15 minutes each on the electric unicycle, me and Ethan. So there's that. And probably 30, so I probably got less than 2 hours on this thing. And yeah, it's really cool. I'm excited to learn. I'm getting a lot more comfortable on it. I think tomorrow, if I go out again, or Sunday, it'll be even better. I do got all my gear on. I got my wrist protectors, my elbow pads are built into the jacket. I probably should get better armor. I think it's only level 1, but I got my knee pads on, got my boots, so I'm all good to go, and my helmet. Almost forgot about that. So I got everything I need to be protected, and I really feel comfortable on the wheel. I'm still a little uncomfortable turning, though I think I kind of got the hang of it. My thing is turning at a decent speed, and that's going to be something I got to get used to. And then turning and slowing down and stopping, and I mean, there's a few things I need to work on, but overall today was a pretty successful day to actually ride it. So less than 2 hours of riding. Today was maybe about probably about an hour. So we're about 3 hours in, and I can stay on the unicycle pretty well. And then I think tomorrow I might try to ride it up that parking lot. It's a hill, that's the only thing I'm scared about. And then go up to, there's another parking lot up higher that usually has people in it. So before I ride around any people, I want to get pretty comfortable on it. But so far so good. I really want to learn this thing. I think it's awesome for portability. You pretty much take it anywhere with you, except on a plane, of course. But you can take it with you if you're just like going out on a family outing. You want to ride around and have some fun. They last a long time. I think I can get about 30 to 40 miles on the MCM5, and it goes fast enough for me. I don't need it to go any faster right now. So far I'm liking it. I got my Clark pads with me. I took them off for this ride just so I could get used to riding without them. I was checking Reddit last night, and that was one of the suggestions, was learn without the Clark pads, and once you get the hang of it, you can put them on. So I'll probably do that again one day. If you want to see me riding the electric unicycle more, please subscribe. If you like this video, hit that like button. I'll see you guys in the next one.